The Beckett box. I got the Beckett box. Hold up. I got the Beckett box. I don't know if y'all want to open up the Beckett box. They sent me something. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. You feel me, Sewer? You feel me? I don't know what it is. But I need to see fire emojis if y'all want me to open it. I ain't gonna open it if I don't see at least, how many people here? If I don't see like 5 fire emojis, if I don't see 5 fire emojis, I'm not doing it. I gotta see 5 fire emojis to open up the Beckett box to see what Beckett sent your boy. They sent your boy something. I don't know what it is. Let me know. You said let's do it. Let me see a fire emoji. I need 5 of them. You feel me? Not the hearts. There you go. Tape said 1. Tape. My boy Tape.
Welcome, my hero.
I pressed the wrong button.
Welcome, my hero.
I got 1 fire emoji. Tape me listening. E-bike, that's 2. Sewers, that's 3. Sewers listening. I got people on Facebook. I got people on YouTube. I need 2 more fire emojis if y'all want me to open up the Beckett box that Beckett sent your boy. They were like, you like what you doing out here. We want to send you a gift. I said, good looking. Pretty sure there's a t-shirt in here with some other stuff. Sound like jingle bells. I ain't gonna hold you. Pause. I ain't gonna hold you. Tape. Sewers, you can't do it twice, Sewers. I ain't gonna hold you. I love y'all for putting the fire emojis. I can't get 5 fire emojis. I'm putting the box away. Wait a minute. He came through. Zach, I didn't even know you was here. Okay, Zach. Zach said 4. I'm number 4 over here. Okay, Zach. Okay. I need 1 more. And we can open up the Beckett box. Maybe there's an e-bike in it. There might be. Let me talk. Hold on, Christian. Let me see what. That good. God bless and enjoy your holiday. I'll be on your live tomorrow. Got more service finished. Doing what I'm doing. All right, Christian. Holla at your boy. Go be a hero.
Welcome, my hero.
G Banco, I don't know. I didn't know you was like.
Welcome, my hero.
Brian is number 6. Okay.
Welcome, my hero.
Okay. I got 6 flames. We're gonna open up this Beckett box. Let's open up this Beckett box. All right. The story is Beckett, they emailed your boy, right? Beckett Corp. I'm gonna say Beckett Corp. They emailed your boy, you feel me? And they were like, you like what you're doing. We want to send you a gift. I was like, oh, this is the first company to send your boy something. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm an influencer now. This kind of makes it official, right? Let me know. This kind of makes it official. I'm an influencer, right? They sending your boy gifts. I'm like, I ain't gonna say no. You feel me? We gonna open it, right? Do I got a knife in here? I don't know if this is gonna work, right? All right, I'm not commenting. That means y'all watching. I like that. So let's open this bad boy. All right, everybody, I figured the fire emojis also means that y'all know who Beckett is. I'm assuming y'all know who Beckett is, right? What up, Mechanical Constant?
Welcome, my hero.
These are the people I want to see here. I was going live, and I had all these kids. I got the grown folks. You feel me? We opening up the Beckett box. This is what Beckett sent your boy, Mechanical Constant Heating. I feel you on that name, too. You be out here constantly heating. I know what you're talking about when you say your name and shit. You feel me? All right, so let's see what's going on here. Man, it's rap pretty good. All right, bet. Thing is rap pretty good. All right, Beckett. Damn, thing breaking. All right, okay. Hold up. John talk. John, don't do this. Hold up. It's 4G's. John.
Welcome, my hero.
Welcome. Don't do that. It got sparkles on it and shit. I'm not gonna curse. I'm gonna watch my language. You feel me? That's gonna be the thumbnail. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Let's make another one. Hold on. A box inside. I don't got no laugh button here. I don't got no laugh button. Do I got a laugh button? I'll give you one of these. He killed that. He killed that. Chocolate, I don't know what's inside here. Ed, hold up. Ed.
Welcome, my hero.
I gotta give you one of these. Ed, Beckett sent me something. Ed, Beckett sent me something. I don't know if it's chocolate, Johan. If it's chocolate, I'm not gonna be super impressed. I might taste it. I'm not a big chocolate guy. But we're gonna open it and see what's popping inside. Y'all ready? I'm nervous. Let's see. That's kind of fire. That's kind of fire. They setting it up. If it's chocolate, give it to me. No, e-bike. I'm not giving you no chocolate. We had this talk. We don't go through it. We thank you for all You do, the Beckett team. I don't know what I do. I'm just being a hero out here. They thanking me for being a hero. They thanking me for being a hero. You feel me? Follow, tag them. That's what they talking about. All right, we're gonna see what's going on. So boom, a cup holder. I like this. I got a cup in here. I don't got a cup in here. Hold up. Get the hat though. Get the hat. I'm a big back. Please give me food. E-bike. If there's chocolate in here, I'll bless you. Maybe I should put the table here and put the box right here, right? And I'll just hold the box right here, right? So we got, this is like, you know, I be getting these when I go to the convention. They be giving these out, you feel me? That's what's up. I like this. I appreciate it. The Beckett sticker, good old classic Beckett sticker. You feel me? I like this. This is dope. It's pretty dope. I like this. I'm a sticker guy. You know, I be having the Boiler Hero stickers all over the place. I'm a sticker guy. You feel me? This is cool. Might put this on something. So this is another sticker. This is a tiger loop. They gave your boy a tiger loop. I'm gonna use this to keep the air out. I'm gonna use this to keep the air out. Now that would have been dope if it was an air freshener to keep the air out. You feel me? Only the people who knows what tiger loops is know what I'm talking about. You feel me? All right. Classic notepad. You feel me? I might write something on this. Might write some notes. I gotta get a Boiler Hero notepad and give out the Boiler Hero notepad. But this is dope. Sturdy. Nice paper. What up, Brittany?
Welcome, my hero.
Tiger loop is one of the best inventions. I agree with that. I agree. Those, you having issues, put that tiger loop in there. You don't, bloop, 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 bloop. Reaper, what's going on,
Welcome,
Reaper?
my hero.
You joining the real live. This ain't the crazy live. This is the real live. This is more chill. We chilling. We open up the Beckett box. We opening up the Beckett box. You feel me? What's going on? We opening up the Beckett box. Let's continue. They gave me a Beckett hat. Classic. That's dope. It's Carhartt. I'm gonna have to make the Boiler Hero, you know what I'm saying, Carhartt hats. But this is dope. I should throw this on right now, right? Let me throw it on. Okay. I'm gonna leave the tag. Of course I remember you, Brittany. Of course. Ain't you a board member? You're like right there, Brittany. You a board member. Of course I remember you. You're a board member. You feel me? They gave me spin-on filter adapter. Now this is funny. I can appreciate this. But this is for like the oil, like the 2-oil filter, an adapter. What? Yes, she is, and Sally, I'm not. I'm sorry, E-Bike, you gotta get on the board. But you good, you here with me, E-Bike. You're looking at the filters, the filter adapter. You're learning the filter adapter. This is fire. I'm gonna have to bring this to work. Multiple ones, multiple. This must be new. This must be new. Let's open up the manual. Spin-on filter adapter. They must have knew I was gonna look at this, because I'm like, what's going on here? All right, so it goes on between. I would have to read this to understand this. Like, what are we using this adapter for? Clean and debris from the inside and out. O-ring and gasket installation. Install spin-on filter O-ring package. Okay, place a gasket. Okay, that goes on. Install new center bolt. So this is for the center bolt, okay. Position filter adapter, position adapter. I guess to take it off easier, bring this to work. We're gonna try to adapt some shit to it. And then they blessed the boy. There's nothing else in the box. Beckett sweater. That's dope. Thank you, Beckett. I appreciate it. What's this, a large? Fire. Okay. This is fire. Might have to rock that at work. I appreciate it, Beckett. Good looking. This is what I thought it was Jingle Bells. Pause. It was this. My size.